Read it. Between the lines. Good. You know that purse doesn't look good on you. So if you guys want to learn how to do this kick, stay through to the end of the video.
Oh, my son is just starting to kickbox, but he can.
Oh. Yeah, he could. Give him a card. Here you go, look. Gotta self-promote, guys, right? So anyways, so we're saying this Van Damme kick, this is how you guys can train for it, okay? Pretty much what you guys want to do to start off with is have a base to hold it. The way to get good at any kick, the way to get good at holding anything, it will sound like just very logical. It's just by kicking and holding your leg. So what you want to do is you want to hold here, somewhere stable, and you want to put your foot over here. You want to put your foot in a way that it's facing this way. So if I'm going straight here, the foot should be facing there to start off with. And you want to go foot sideways here. And then just hold it here as long as you can. This is the key, right here. As long as if it starts shaking, doesn't matter. If you can only go like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, you count 10, 9, 8, try to get it to 10 of course, then you rest. You will feel pain here. What do you do next? You lift up your knee. You stretch. You stretch. Okay, you stretch here. You wait till the pain goes away. Then you repeat it again. I'm gonna do it a little different, guys, but you guys get the point. You hold like this, right? I'm gonna hold here now, which is similar. And then when you guys go higher, you guys wanna turn this foot. It was earlier here. When you guys start going higher, you guys wanna turn the foot little by little more this way. Keep in mind, it doesn't matter if your foot is here or here or here. It could be anywhere from here to here. But make sure that whatever stance you get, you're able to hold your foot. Okay, so then the next thing would be to go from here to here. And the same thing, hold it. 10 seconds, whatever, go back, stretch, same thing. Until little by little you go higher, okay? But my recommendation after going here and after being able to hold it here, then you guys want to start trying it with no hands. Even if you guys go really low, for example, if you guys can only go here, right? And you guys can only hold it 5 seconds and it hurts already, you just take a break. Like, you just take a break basically if it hurts. And then you try to go again, you go higher. So in my opinion, from your first day on, you should try to do it with no hands. So you want to start here, right? From your first day, start here with hands, as long as you can. Some of you might be able to go here, that's fine. Do 3-4 sets, then go for it. Just try to do it without hands. Go up slow. It's all about doing it slow with this, guys. Don't do it fast. Don't kick fast and then hold it. Slow. You go up and you hold. And you try to hold your balance as long as you can, and then you bring it back. And then, like I said, little by little you will go higher, okay? I will do a last demonstration. Try to hold the camera with one hand, Scott, and put my foot up. I think somebody wants to see the show over there. Go higher, 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 higher. Let go. Go that way again. So you can always get someone to help you, like my girlfriend did now. If you guys really want to take it to the next level, then when you're like right here, you let go. Same thing. This is how I practice at the gym. Okay, right now I'm very sore. Normally I can go 180. Okay, but this is basically what you guys want to do. Okay, then over time, of course, you guys are going to be able to do it fast. And then just hold it with all kicks. But every kick is the same thing. You guys want to do this with front kick, same thing. Hold, leg up, front kick. Here or here, don't matter. But the way to do this is by simply doing it, okay? And that'll be it, guys. The next video, try to follow my foot.